This is LeetCode question number 160, intersection of two linked lists. This is an easy question. Let's get into it. Write a program to find the node at which the intersection of two singly linked lists begin. Okay, let's check the example 2. Now, A wants to skip the 1, 3, and then B skip 1, and then they intersection begin here. So this is the point we're looking for. Okay, let's check with this value. First list A is this one, and then list B is this one. How can do it? Okay, some people think, how about start from the last and then decrease one by one? But problem is this one. This one is the single linked list, and the single linked list only have the next value. So when we locate it here, we have no way to find the previous node of this one. So then some people think, how about a reverse linked list? It also approach, but if we reverse the linked list, it takes n log n time complexity. So time complexity is the worse than optimized one. Then I'm gonna implement with linear time that I will use one idea. Idea is this one. When I finish the list A, I will continue list B, and then when I finish the list B, I will start to continue list A. At this time, this one is the same way to deduct this one minus this one. So from this case, we need to find from the checking the same way of the find last. So from start here and then start here, different, from here is same. So return 2. It makes sense. And then this time it takes linear because time complex n is length of list A plus length of list B. Okay, let's implement the code. I will make a pointer A and B. A is indicate head A, B is indicate head B. Then I will traverse A is not equal B. And then when the A equal B, that means when you found intersection, I will exit the loop. So A is A dot next if A exists, but if A is known, I will move to head B. And then B also same, B next. If B is not null, else head A. And then when I found the same value, I will return it. Not bad. Okay, thank you.